Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica table, and today I have with me a Tomica event model, or as it was called then, a Tomica special model, number 6, Toyota Crown from Blue Tommy. So, can't really read all these Japanese words here. This is Tomica, but, you know, the rest I really don't know what it says. So if you do know, let me know down in the comments, and, well, yeah, hopefully it's correct. On the sides over here, we have number 6, because, you know, Tomica event models have numbers. And on the top, the same logo, but, you know, without the silver coloring. From the back, 2001 here, you know, by the 1, and again, Blue Tommy. What these words are up here, you know, beats me. Anyway, let's take a look at the car inside. I have heard it's pretty cool. Or, I mean, I've seen this, it's pretty cool. I have only opened this once before, so, yeah, that was this afternoon, so, I think. Anyway, here is the car. The Crown with special model written in some kind of funny word art on the front. This reminds me so much about the Microsoft word art, you know, because it looks exactly like that, and they just used copy and paste onto the model of the car. Anyway, for the front we have, you know, a silver front grill here. Sorry, this one is painted on, while these are chrome headlights. For bumper here, just pure white, but then for some, I think these may be air vents or some fog lights. These are colored black, and a little space for the number plate. The, well, windscreen right here is not exactly transparent. It's maybe transparent brownish. So really cool. And for the side, the most interesting detail yet. Poof. A wheelchair sign. So that's really cool because never seen a wheelchair sign on a Tomica before. And oh look, the interior is brown as well. That's really cool because there's a wheelchair here and another one for this side. Over here it says here mild hybrid on the door of the car. Let's see if I can focus this camera right here. There you go, mild hybrid, and you know, same for this side, but this one has a silver line through it. Don't know if it's supposed to be there. Let me focus this. I think you can see it. So yeah, this one also has a silver line through it. So let's just get it to focus back on the car. Hang on. Yep, okay, here it is. And we have here 4 studded chrome wheels. Pressure cap on this side. For the roof, you know, pretty plain, just pure white. Pretty undetailed for a Tomica event model, I feel. And the rear light tampos are just red all the way across. So it looks pretty cool. I don't know if these are supposed to be indicators because, you know, they are separated by the opening of the boot. Anyway, this could be a number plate or a hatch to open the boot. Well, I mean, you can only guess if you don't have the real car. For this over here, the back bumper, it is pure white, and this feels like plastic, but it's actually part of the diecast. So moving on to the base, we have Toyota Crown, made in China, 2001. So now we're gonna just test if this suspension is a soft or hard suspension. For example, a hard suspension would be something like this car right here. As you can see, it, well, not so easy to push down and kind of makes a little rolling sound, as not really, a little clicking sound as it moves. I think you can hear it right there. And for this car, let's have a look. This car is a bit louder, but I feel more smooth and goes down pretty far. So I would call this guy a smooth suspension. So yeah, really cool. I mean, you can kind of classify the Tomica suspensions, right? Because this one pushes down all the way. So now this looks like a really lowered car, really raised up, and while this just looks really normal. So yeah, the suspension really does make a difference, and this one is pretty smooth. So I guess now you know how to tell between a normal and smooth suspension. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Fun fact, I don't think this is centered. Yeah, see you.